Welcome to a Blender to Unreal, and for today I'm going to show you the correct way of exporting a model from Blender and importing it in Unreal Engine without having that weird dark material look as you can see in the screenshot. First I'm going to show you the incorrect way of exporting. Let's delete this light, let's delete this camera, and with this all I'm just going to export it as a FBX file. I'm going to put this on my desktop and I'm calling this cube. Now I'm going to click on new. This time, after deleting the light and the camera, I'm going to add two UV shading channels, which you can do over here at this tab. Now simply add two of those in here. One is for the material and one is for the lighting. Then again, file, export, FBX file. This time I'm going to call this cube 1. Now let's start up Unreal and I'm simply going to choose first person shooter. So now that we are here, I'm going to add in a map in this content folder and just call this Z, so it always ends up at the bottom. And I'm going to import those from my desktop, cube 1, import all. Now I've got some complaints here, but let's see what will happen when we import the other cube. Import all, and now we only have one more complaint. So let's import this into our scene. This is the cube with the incorrect way. I'll move it up like so. And this is the cube imported the correct way. So we have to build. I'm just going to click on build all. It's done building. Now let's see our results. Boom, there you go. This one was the one without those two UV maps. And this one is the one with two UV maps. Now if I click on play, there is one thing you can see over here, and that is this black stripe over there. There is also one way how I could kinda solve that problem, and that's just by go to lighting, then override maps, and then change this to 1024. Let's build this again. There you go. Let's click on play, and there you go. This is the correct way of exporting and importing. If you've got some questions or a request, then leave a comment below. If this video was useful, then like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.